So very good evening, and I think it's great to be here. Thanks to Professor Rana, the entire leadership team of Amity. We normally say in leadership that if you want to see the effectiveness of the leader, don't watch the leader, watch the team, because team is a reflection of the leader. And I think it's very visible when I see Amity's team on the ground, that the leader sitting here, and Professor Rana and Johan sir and everyone, the reflection is very much visible, very much demonstrated. So kudos to each one of you to bring Amity to a level which in the universe I think is basically a case study of its own. I've been associated through Wipro with Amity for years now, and it is more than true partnership. It's more of possibility exploring with Amity when Wipro works with Amity. Whether it comes to hiring the smartest and brightest on the planet, people like lovely students sitting here from Amity who joined Wipro, or if it's basically related to any of the conferences or conclaves or academic or board of studies councils wherein we can do our 2 cents to the academia, we are always there for Amity. In terms of our hiring spree, you'll be happy to know that we are starting our engineering hiring with Amity. So today while I'm talking here, your colleagues, some of your friends are going through Amity engineering hiring process. We have around 2,500 engineers who are appearing for BTech hiring right away. My team is there in the other block, hiring the smartest and brightest from your friends and colleagues a lot. So it's a pleasure to be here, very, very excited. I'll just take 5 minutes more in terms of some of the key skills which all of us require, especially adults, and then I will say our young, lovely children, which will make or break your leadership for the next 100 years. So first is mindfulness and consciousness. I'm a coach on conscious leadership. So when you have to marry talent and technology together, today what you are doing is, if you look at your own profiles, you're getting married to talent. I'm talking about the students or respected professors and entire academia. So there is a strong bonding which is there between talent and technology. If you decouple technology from talent, none of it can survive. So if I decouple technology and let's say I don't have the right talent to develop the technology, be it be cloud computing, be it be artificial intelligence, be it be machine to man or man to machine communication, be it be any areas. If I decouple talent from the technology, technology will die. And if I decouple technology from talent, can you come back to the old phones now? Can you think about a life without phones? Probably not. So if I decouple the technology from talent, talent will be bored, right? So this is the time when technology is moving at the speed of light, and that's where talent needs to catch up. It's no more employability, it's deployability. And when I say deployability, that means the skills which you have on the technology area, it has to be deep and deeper. When I say deep and deeper, averaged out technology experience may not get into the queue or the league in terms of the best possible, smartest and brightest selection, and that's the truth on the planet. So we all need to do an upskilling, and since I mentioned in the start, the upskilling has to start from our leaders, wherein we need to make sure our respected academic leaders, professors, everybody is latest and greatest towards understanding the technology, and then the entire knowledge or wisdom can flow down. So Wipro does a lot of program in terms of upskilling the entire community, academic community, be it be faculty development programs, be it be something related to application or applicability of the work which you stem out. So be fully conscious that you are not a Java engineer, this is for students, or a C++ engineer for us. You are someone who is going to save lives of millions and billions of people with the power of technology in your palms. Right? I'll give you a quick example. We have, whenever heartbeat of a person goes down, we have a necklace called ECG necklace, which is developed by Wipro, which saves millions and billions of lives of people in terms of their heartbeat monitoring, through their heartbeat monitoring. And the message goes to the doctor well in time, and the corrective or corrective actions are taken well in time. We have a product called Flight Emergency Tracking Software. It's called TOPS, TOPS. So whenever a flight is into heavy weather, turbulence is on, the message goes from this software sitting at pilot, at the ADC office on the ground to pilot in the cockpit, mentioning you turn your aircraft 30 degrees because there is a cloud with a less water density where the turbulence pocket is least dense. And successfully the aircrafts come out. We have Audi City showroom in London where there is no Audi car. If you want to shop around an Audi car, you go there, you will find everything is simulated. So right from your foot pressure on your accelerator, there is a slab, and then you accelerate in miles per hour, and then you find that if your foot is spinning at that 180 miles per hour or 160 miles per hour speed, it's just a slab like this. You will just tell the Audi showroom guy that my foot is spinning at 160 miles per hour speed. The message goes to Audi research then and there, saying that there is a prospect who is going to be a future client, that who is trying an Audi car, and he has put an acceleration of 150 or 180 miles per hour, and the foot is spinning at 150, 180. The Audi research comes back with a message to the showroom guy, saying, sir, ma'am, thank you for your inputs. We are working on it, we are researching it, we'll come back to you within stipulated time. This is the first model given by Wipro to the world, where research is happening before retail has happened or sale has happened. Normally what you do, you buy a product, you use it and you give the feedback. Sale has happened, retail has happened. But here the research is happening before your sales or retail cycle. That's Wipro. That's the kind of deep work we do to make a dent, disruption and difference to the planet. 7 C's of leadership which you will need in your life, I just want to share because I'm a coach on Neuro leadership, which taps your common sense to the level of creator consciousness, and then you operate from there and not from the thoughts generated from mind. So you consciously create the thoughts and then you consciously don't create. So 7 C's which you will need in your life to lead better. In your neurotransmitters, you will need to change some of the thoughts because every day you are getting the same thoughts. 60 to 180,000 thoughts you get every day. So first is you will need clarity and consciousness. That why you have come on the planet. What is the purpose? Because time is ticking. So it is one life. Make sure you are playing to win, not playing to participate. Fully be conscious about your purpose. Second is courage, the second C. Third is character. Fourth is communication. Fifth is collaboration. Sixth is compassion. And seventh is your own charisma. So if you have these 7 C's, you are anyway magnetic on the planet as a leader. So make sure that you put your best and you are playing on the best foot. Talent and technology cannot go far unless it is driven with intent and intuition. So make sure you have the right intent and intuition to make a dent on the planet. Some of the areas where the world will go in the next 30 years, on the technology side, primary will be on artificial intelligence. If you look at Google, Google has this Google Assistant, and it's primarily converting itself very, very fast on the curve to an AI company, right? So you look for any other B2B, B2C, you look for Amazons of the world, you will find the same happening on the curve. So AI definitely will lead the curve. Apart from that, digital mobility will always go better and higher. Apart from that, machine learning, deep learning, your natural language processing, which is NLP, and then areas, high-level areas of technology like cloud, big data, analytics, machine-to-machine communication, machine-to-man communication, robotics, cobotics. All these areas are the future technologies you guys need to have to make sure that the hands are dirty or you have fully immersed yourself onto these areas. Very, very important. Wipro does a lot of work into these areas, but just to give you a small example, we have JCB is one of our clients, which is basically into field and cranes and manufacturing support, right? So we have replaced JCB's call center with an AI bot. It is a 200 people call center where now we have bot. Any complaints coming from the field, let's say a guy saying that my crane is stuck in the mines and I need an alternate crane to come with an earth excavator. So all this is done by bots today. So AI is one of the examples. It's not that the human beings are getting replaced by AI, it is just that the new norm is they will do better jobs. That's where upskilling is required. So please be conscious in terms of their technology, talent, and I could see the theme also very, very strongly focusing on it today, that technology and talent cannot be decoupled. Strongly you couple it, strongly you will be able to save lives of millions of people. One small example I want to again give and then close it is, I was giving it in the BTech hiring today in the morning. We have a 3M product, which is when a woman crosses from marriage to maternity to motherhood. We have developed fertile monitoring system, which monitors in the womb successful deliveries or the baby as well as the mom's health. And this is where the technology, you guys are not a Java engineer for us, because this fertile monitoring system has been developed by a group of freshers whom we took from great colleges or great universities like Amity. Right? So you have a power of technology in your palms to save millions and billions of lives of people. And somewhere you have a greater opportunity than a soldier guarding Mother India. Because a soldier guarding Mother India is only guarding Mother India, because infiltration doesn't happen every day. So he or she just gets an opportunity to shoot only once or twice in a month to save lives. But you guys with your technology in your hand are saving lives of millions of people on the planet right away. So for us, you are a millionaire already. You are not a millionaire, you may not be a millionaire by money, but you are a millionaire because you as a technology person, or a billionaire because you are changing lives of billions of people through power of technology. God bless you all. Be fully conscious. Thank you.